What's up, you guys? It's your girl Meleah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be talking about vitamin C serum. I have been using vitamin C serum for years on my skin. I really feel like it's great for anti-aging. It also helps to plump the skin, helps with sun damage, fine lines, wrinkles, all those things. Completely anti-aging, so I really believe in a good vitamin C serum. Helps to protect your skin from harmful things in the environment, so it's just an overall really good product to use. So I've been using a vitamin C by Skinceuticals, which is their CE Ferulic. I've been using that for a while now, and it's a really good one, but I recently switched up to using Exuviance AF Vitamin C20 in their serum capsules. I don't know if this is going to show up in the camera. I'll give you guys a little look at the product. This is so good, you guys. The one issue I had, as much as I love Skinceuticals, first of all, I love Skinceuticals. I'm not hating on them at all, but the price point on the Skinceuticals is actually really expensive. It's about $169 for a bottle. That's the first thing. The second thing is that it oxidizes pretty quickly, because every time you have to, you open the bottle up and you expose the product to air, it actually breaks the product down and causes it to oxidize. So I really felt like the Skinceuticals, that was the issue with this, just for the price point. I really felt like because it oxidizes, it really only lasts about 3 months in this bottle. And that's why I actually switched to Exuviance, the AF Vitamin C 20. This is a really good product, you guys. First of all, I love it because it is a C at 20%. It is maximum strength C aminophil amino acid. This form of vitamin C have these L-ascorbic acid, which is the vitamin C that is also in Skinceuticals. The difference is that it actually does not have the E in it, or ferulic. So it doesn't have those same ingredients, but this is just pure L-ascorbic vitamin C 20%. I wouldn't recommend it to those of you guys out there who have never used a vitamin C serum. It might be a little bit strong for you. But the reason why I really love the Exuviance AF Vitamin C20 is because it comes in these awesome little capsules here. What I was talking about with the Skinceuticals bottle, this actually does not oxidize because it's protected in these little tiny capsules. So it protects the product, the vitamin C, from hitting the air, which is what causes the product to break down and to oxidize. So I really love that, guys. Like, I think this is super, super smart. It's gonna hold and retain its quality of the product. And that's like super exciting to me, because like I said, I've been using a vitamin C for a really long time, and that's always the bummer, is when you spend so much money and you invest all this money in these products that are really great to use, but that it ends up oxidizing and breaking down and not being as effective. So I love that Exuviance has come up with this. I haven't seen anybody come up with a product like this to preserve the vitamin C. I really think that that's really, really good idea, and it's amazing. I also want to say the price point of this Exuviance Vitamin C 20% is really good. It's $69, and it is, it's about a 3-month supply, because I only use it 2 to 3 times a week since it's 20%. So it ends up lasting anywhere from 60 to 90 days, depending on how often you use it. It's really simple to use. You just twist the capsule open and just dispense it into your palm and put it right on your face. And I just absolutely love this product. I actually changed my whole plan for the week for my video because I wanted to talk about this. So I'm gonna be doing a full video on vitamin C and kind of comparing some other products out there coming up, but I just really wanted to tell you guys about this because this is so good. If you're looking for a good vitamin C, this is amazing. I love the price point, and the fact that it's not gonna oxidize is a really, really big deal, you guys. So anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post every single week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. Peace.